embarking, and finally, speed advantage.
Pilracom Classic Open Championship belongs to Westbound. Lagambini for 2004 belongs to Cover Girl.
The horse of Mayor Ben Haramalos, Hagdang Bato.
And finally, the return of the real champion talaga, Windblow.
And racing this time, Italian start for all the entries. And the other lead is taken by Smarty Jude in the middle portion. Passing by the judges stand for the first time. Smarty Jude takes up the running by about 3 lengths, followed by Easy Rider in second. Golden Cat is running in 10 on the outside. And as they lead the first straight, it's still Smarty Jude by about 2 lengths, followed by Easy Rider in second. And in third position, moving up, is number 4, that's 5 o'clock. It's still Smarty Jude, followed by Easy Rider in second. 5 o'clock is in third by the Golden Cat, rising up on the outside. And in fifth position is $7, together with Greenback as they gallop along the backstretch. And midway down the backstretch, it's still Smarty Jude by about 2 lengths, followed by Easy Rider in second. And in third by another 3 lengths is Golden Cat. And in fourth position is 5 o'clock, $7, moving up by Darrell is Greenback, together with entry number 9, and that's Millennium Man. The lead is taken over now by Easy Rider by about 2 lengths, followed now by Golden Cat in second, and in third position is 5 o'clock. And towards the home turn, it's still Easy Rider by about 2 lengths. Golden Cat remains in second, and in third is 5 o'clock, Greenback. And nearing the finish line, it's still Easy Rider, followed by Golden Cat in second, and in third is 5 o'clock. And finally, Easy Rider, Golden Cat, 5 o'clock, Greenback, number 3, and that's Capricorn Ida.
And finally, the return of the real champion talaga, Windblow.